Some painters have the rare ability to capture the very essence of a scene, translated from their mind's eye to canvas, giving the viewer the feel and emotion of a moment preserved in time. Such is the work of master artist Huihan. The emotion and feeling in his paintings comes from a system of painting he has developed for his students over many years, starting a process firmly grounded in the fundamentals of value and composition, and ending with his techniques and brushwork that will make your paintings stand out, all which he shares on a new instructional video, Huihan, Expressive Figure Painting. Now you can become more expressive and painterly in your own artwork, capturing emotion and telling a story. Follow along as this award-winning artist demonstrates how he poses models and creates studies to determine the composition that best tells the story. You'll see a series of time studies of the model in various poses and how he approaches each painting and what he's thinking through the process of what he calls problem solving before he starts on the bigger, final painting. Then you'll see the full painting created from start to finish. You'll have a bird's eye view of the model, the canvas, and the palette as Huihan vigorously mixes paint, works out the composition, establishes values, executes the initial studies. You'll see the difference between the limited palette he uses for short poses and the full palette he turns to for larger work, and why that's important. Watch this thoughtful artist contemplate the scene before him and how he uses his brushes and painting knife in so many fascinating ways. You won't want to miss this master artist at work. There really is no way to explain in words what he does. You simply need to see it for yourself and the possibilities for applying his methods to your own work. Treat yourself by sitting at the feet of a master to learn from his decades of experience. Huihan, Expressive Figure Painting is now available on DVD or digital download. Order yours now.